In this video, I will show you how to copy spreadsheet data in Excel as a picture like this. You can move your data anywhere. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, select cells in the Home tab. Here is the option Copy. So click on this drop down and copy as a picture. Now you can select any option for appearance as shown on screen as shown when printed. Then click on OK. Now you can paste anywhere. You can adjust size. You can paste this picture in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Like this. You can apply all settings for picture. So thanks for watching.